video we will discuss some important tools which is very important actually. So while extruding, revolving, like the tools, you need a closed profile or open profile. So how to select separately some profile? You can see by default that is infer curves. So now you can select any one of the curves according to possibilities that will select. If I am going to change as a single curve, then see what will happen. Just click on that curve, so separately that will select. So where it is useful, suppose you are having two circle or two closed profile, you can select separately and you can apply different features. Suppose you are going to change your setting, see here connected curve, so you have to click on only one curve and all connected curve will select automatically. See, now you can apply any features here. You can see your solid is created. Now I'm going to change another option, another setting. Just go and select your method as a tangent curves. So click on boundary line curve. You can see all tangentially connected curves are selected. Now you can apply feature on it. Okay, so next I'm going to select next option, which is face edges. Okay, suppose you want to extrude your face, any of the face, you can select your face. So what is the concept here? You can see this face is going to extrude. What is the concept? That if you are going to select any face, that face boundary will select, that face boundary will extract automatically and that will extrude. Okay, suppose I am going to select another face. See again, face edges, select backside face. Now you extrude. You can see partially that face is going to extrude. Okay, so see again this option on another face. Just change this setting as a seat edges, sorry, face edges. Yes, now you can see this face can be extrude. Okay, so next option is there, that is region boundary curve. Okay, so if any boundary, here also you can select a face or any closed boundary. You can see there are many regions, so region wise you can select your profile. I'm going to click on that. Just see, click on that, you can extrude it. Just apply, select another region. This is the another region, apply. So like that you can select your separately regions with different distance length values. Okay, see, I'm going to select a profile again in region boundary, this profile. So here something error will be there, just see. Okay, so what is the error? So this both profile, this profile boundary edges is conflict with each other. Okay, so not possible. So according to possibilities you have to select. Okay, also you have to remember your geometry boundary conditions. Okay, here face also you can extrude in this option. I hope you understand what is this option and why we are using this option. Okay, see this face I am going to extrude. Outside is boundary and inside is curve, and this loop will make, and you can extrude this loop. You can see. Okay, and one more thing, suppose you are going to extrude, just click on extrude and just change this setting as a infer curve. So in infer curve, suppose you will select any face, then that will ask for a sketch. You can see directly you will move on your sketch worksheet. Now you need to create a sketch. Okay, so select carefully. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.